I'm Joseph Hoffman. Today we're going to learn the left hand of Love Somebody. The left hand uses two chords. Once you're able to play those chords, you'll be able to play the song hands together. Here's some of the practice instructions that you can download from our website. Let's take a look at what the 1 chord and the 5/7 chord look like. In your music, your 1 chord will look like this. 3 notes stacked together, all a skip apart. You'll notice they're all space notes. Kind of looks like a triple-decker ice cream cone. 3 scoops of ice cream. When you see that chord, you're going to play Do, Mi, and So in the E major pentascale. The 5/7 chord looks like this. I don't know what that looks like. When you see that, you're going to play Ti, Fa, and So. If you have a great idea for what that looks like, let me know on my Facebook page. Now let's hunt for these chords in the music above. Good. Can you point to all of the 5/7 chords? Let's hunt for all the 5/7 chords together. Let's find them. Here, 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 and here. There are 4 of them. Now, how many 1 chords do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You'll notice that these chords are filled in, which makes them quarter notes. Remember, a quarter note equals 1 beat, and we say ta, 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 ta for those. These are empty inside, and so they're half notes. Do you remember how many beats a half note gets? If you said 2, you're correct. For a half note, we can say 2, 2, or simply think 1, 2, 1, 2. Great. Let's go to the piano and try to play these chords. Let's practice playing the 1 and the 5/7 chord in the E major pentascale. The 1 chord is made up of Do, Mi, and So. Can you play Do, Mi, and So at the same time? Good. Now the 5/7 chord is made up of Ti, which is a half step below Do. So our finger 5 will slide over to the D sharp. To reach that note, sometimes it's helpful to slide your fingers in towards the black keys. You can move your whole hand as a unit. That might make it easier for your pinky to reach. Finger 2 will play Fa, which is an A in this position, and finger 1 is on So still. So your thumb, or finger 1, never moves. When you play Do, Mi, So, use your thumb or finger 1 as an anchor as you shift to the 5/7 chord. Practice going back and forth, playing a 1 chord and then a 5/7 chord. Press pause and practice going between those 2 chords until you can do it comfortably. When you're ready to go on, press play. Great. Now let's practice playing the chords along with the melody to Love Somebody. I'll play the melody for you. I want you to just focus on the chords. You'll notice in the music that 1 chords alternate with 5/7 chords. So first we'll have a 1 chord as we play Love Somebody. Let me play it for you once so you can hear what it sounds like. We'll have the 1 chord, then the 5/7 chord, back to a 1 chord, to a 5/7 chord, then another 1 chord, back to 5/7, then 1 chord to a 5/7, to a 1, and another 1 at the end. So you notice most of the chords are half notes. This means we'll be holding it for 2 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2. Towards the end of the song, the chords are quarter notes. So we'll have 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, I'd like you to try playing the chords while I play the melody. I'll be playing the melody and the chords. You just play the chords. Okay, and think 2 beats for each half note, and then just 1 beat for the quarter notes. Ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If you weren't quite ready for the speed that you have to change chords at the end, that's normal. Just keep practicing it until you can do it comfortably. Press pause and practice on your own, and then try it with me again when you feel ready. When you're really comfortable with the left hand alone and right hand alone, you'll be ready to try it hands together. It may take you a couple of days practicing the hands alone before you're ready to tackle this. When you are ready to try it hands together, you'll just want to observe what note you are playing in the right hand when there's a chord underneath. When notes are aligned like this, vertically, that means they play together. So this note of love is where you play the chord. The next time you play a chord is when you play the word yes. Anytime a chord is lined up with a note above it in the right hand, that means you'll play them together. So the first note you play in the right hand will also have a chord with it. Love somebody. And then on the word yes, you'll see another chord. So as you play yes in the right hand, you'll play a chord in the left hand. Yes, I do. And then you play a chord again on the word love. Love somebody. And then on yes, you play another chord. Yes, I do. Then love, there's another chord. Love somebody. Yes, I do. Then on love, there's another chord. Love somebody, but I won't say who. Good. Now, once you're very comfortable with the hands alone, you're ready to try playing it hands together. You may spend a couple of days just working on the hands alone. When you're very comfortable with the right hand and left hand alone, then give it a try hands together. And don't give up. Keep practicing until you can do it. Great job learning the chords for Love Somebody. Now, I have a special assignment for you today. Once you're able to play this song hands together, I'd like you to play it for your mom and see if she can guess who you love. When you get to the end, if she can't guess, tell her that it's her. Then give her a big hug and say that you love her. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.